Heating and cooling your home usually accounts for a massive chunk of your monthly utility bills, and most of that money is wasted when you are away at work or fast asleep. Walking over to a traditional dial or button thermostat to manually adjust it every single day is a chore most of us simply forget to do. The Amazon Smart Thermostat solves this exact problem by automating your home's climate control, making it effortless to cut down on energy waste without sacrificing your comfort. What makes this smart upgrade so practical for the modern household is its seamless integration with the devices you already use. Developed in partnership with Honeywell Home Technology, it links directly with Alexa and Ring to learn your daily habits and track your location. When you walk out the door, it can automatically lower the heat or ease up on the AC, and then prep the house to your perfect temperature, just as you are arriving back. The clean, minimalist display blends right into any wall, and adjusting it is as simple as using your voice or tapping the app on your phone from anywhere in the world. Just keep in mind before purchasing that it does require a C-wire or common wire for power, which is standard in most modern heating and cooling systems, but might require a simple adapter if you live in an older home. If you are ready to take control of your monthly energy bills and bring your home into the smart era, click the link below for the best price. Let me know in the comments if your household is constantly fighting over the thermostat settings. Hit that subscribe button for more practical home tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.